Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, you know, we have completed our chapter number 5, Animals World, and now we are writing our question answers of this chapter. We have written already these new words, then these question answers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 we have already written. No, 1 and 2 you written. Now today we will write this question number 3 and answer number 3, because some of the students, they told me that they have not written this answer number 3. In the last class I have sent you this pic also, but if you have not written, then I can explain you again, don't worry. So you write from question number 3, how do animals use their tails? Answer is, in this answer you have to draw a line at the center and make 2 equal columns. Okay, first column you write animals, heading you write animals, and second column write use of tail, means animals, कौन सा एनिमल अपनी टेल का कैसे यूज करता है, दैट वी हैव टू राइट इन दिस. So first is monkey. Monkey use its tail to hold branches. Cow to drive away flies. जो flies होती हैं उनको उड़ाने के लिए, दूर भगाने के लिए काऊ अपनी टेल का यूज करती है. Now squirrel. Squirrel also use its tail to climb trees. Kangaroo, fourth is kangaroo. So kangaroo uses its tail to balance the body and jump. And fifth is fish. Fish uses its tail to move in water. I have told you in the last class that fish uses its tail to change the direction when it moves in water. So next is question number 4. Those who have written answer and question number 3, they have to write start from here. So question number 4 is, why are house flies dangerous? So children, you know, the house flies which we can see in our home, they are very dangerous. How they are dangerous? So answer is, house flies are dangerous because they carry germs. Okay, why they are dangerous? Because they carry germs in them, and when they sit on our food, if we not cover our food, when they sit on them, then they can transfer many kind of germs to our food. So we may get many kind of harmful diseases. So next is question number 5. Why does a spider spin a web? So children, why spider spin a web? A spider spin a web to trap its prey. Prey means उनका जो शिकार होता है, जो जिन छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स को वो फूड के लिए यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो दोज स्मॉल प्रे आर देयर insects. So in bracket you should write word insects. Okay, so spider किस लिए अपना वेब बनाते हैं? ताकि वो इंसेक्ट्स को, जो उनके शिकार होते हैं, वो उसको ट्रैप कर पाए, पकड़ पाए. ओके, सो दिस इज आंसर नंबर 5. So children, these are about the question answers. You have to write question number 5 and answer 5 up to 5th question you have to write, and after that you should write one word answers. Okay, these are the questions in which you have to write answer in very short. So how many legs do insects have? You know, children, insects have 6 legs. So all the insects have 6 legs. So here answer is 6 legs. How many legs does spider have? We have studied in this chapter that spiders have 8 legs. Okay, so answer is 8 legs. Next is name any reptile. So in your book we have learnt about the reptiles also. Under the category of reptiles you can write the name of snake. I have written here snake because it is a small name. You can write alligator, you can write down crocodile, and you can write lizard also. Okay, so fourth question is, do worms have bones? क्या worms जो होते हैं उनमें bones होती हैं? No, worms do not have their bones. So no is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5 is, name any blood sucking animal. You have to write any name of blood sucking animal, and in this chapter we have read about the leech. So leech is a blood sucking animal. So answer you have to write leech, Leech. Next, question number 6, name any 2 insects that crawl. Children, in this question you have to write the name of any 2 insects which can crawl, जो रेंग के चलते हैं. So first is ants, second is cockroaches. Okay, so I have written these 2 names. You can write your own other names also if you know. Okay, flying insects don't write here. You have to write only the name of crawling insects. So ants and cockroaches are the best answers. So next is question number 7. Name 2 insects that fly. So here you have to write flying insects name. Any 2 flying insect name. So honeybee and housefly I have written. You can write mosquito, you can write butterfly, any example you can write your own, but that should be come in the insect category. So I have written these 2 names. You can write these. Okay children, so with this our this chapter number 5 is completed. Okay, and you have to write all these things in your notebook. I'll send you pics also in your WhatsApp group, so that you can write, you can note down from there. So Jai Gurudev to all of you.